perimeter. For polar curve perimeter, if we can compute the area of a polar curve by integral of theta 1 to theta 2 of 1/2 radius squared d theta, the perimeter of a polar curve is now computed as S, kagaya ng arc length, S, integral of your lower limit to upper limit, then the square root of r squared plus dr over d theta squared d theta. Perimeter ang tinatanong ha, yung buong loop ng ating polar curve. Okay? So as a simple example for this one is the perimeter of a polar curve r is equal to 4 sine theta. Okay? 4 sine theta that is theta r, let's just say 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Okay? Yung buong loop ng ating curve. So for the perimeter of this particular polar curve, substitute lang ulit natin yung ating theta sa radius, which is 4 sine theta. 4 sine of 0 is simply 0. 4 sine 90, that is 1. Sine theta is 1. Sine 90 degree is 1 times 4 is 4. Sine 180 is simply 0. Then if it is from 270, 360, and so forth and so long, mauulit lang naman yan. So basically that is also negative 4 and 0. So pag negative 4, paatras yung plot. So babalik din tayo sa original point niya, or original point. Plot ko lang. Ganyan na pala, 0, 90, 180. Hindi ko na inano yung angle. Kayo nang bahala magbigay nung gumawa ng mas defined na drawing. Then 0 degree is 0, 90 degree is positive 4. Let's just say that is positive 4. And 180 degree is 0. 270 is negative 4. So 270 negative 4 paatras. So doon din lang sa positive 4. So 360 is also 0. Then if we try to use 30 degrees and 60 degrees para makita natin yung curve, 30 degrees is 2 and 60 degrees is 3.46. Okay. That is 30 is 2 and 3.46. Ganon din dyan. Ganon din dyan. Most likely our curve will look like this. Single loop lang siya. Okay. Check natin doon sa ating plotter. R equal to 4 sine theta. So it's a circle. Okay? So yan din lang yung ating curve. So it's a circle for sine theta. So most likely that is your polar curve. For the perimeter, derive lang natin yung ating dr over d theta. Meron na tayong r squared. Madali nyo nang ma-identify yung theta 1 at saka theta 2 kasi 0 to 180 lang yan. So, kunin lang natin, i-derive lang natin si dr at saka d theta. That is r equal to 4 sine theta differential dr, that is equal to 4 cosine theta of d theta, or simply dr over d theta is equal to 4 cosine. Diba? Tapos na. Then substitute to our formula for the perimeter of a polar curve. That is, ano yung ating theta 1? Circle 0, 0. 180 is to 0 to 0 to 0. That is 0 degree to 180 degree, or simply pi. Square root of r squared plus dr over d theta squared. R squared is 4 sine theta squared plus dr over d theta, which is 4 cosine theta squared d theta. Okay? Simplify gives us 0 to pi square root of 16 sine squared theta plus 16 cosine squared theta d theta. Extract lang natin si 16 from the equation, then square root of 16 is positive 4. Tama ba? 0 to pi 16 of sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta then d theta. So, alam nyo na yung identities niyan. Oh, square root of 16, positive 4, right? Then, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is simply equal to 1. Diba? From your identities. Then, 4 times 1, simply 4. So, 4 d theta. Integral, that is 4 theta plus c, upper limit, lower limit. Then, your perimeter simply equal now to 4 pi plus 0 or minus 0. So that is 4 pi units. So yan na yung ating perimeter. Final answer. Okay. That'll serve as our final answer for this problem. So yan na yung inyong perimeter. On your own, try to solve the perimeter of this given problems. R equal to 4 cosine theta and R equal to 4 times 1 minus sine theta by applying the same concept in solving the perimeter of a polar curve. Question po sa perimeter.
Answer.
Hahatiin ko na lang yung videos from area bounded at saka perimeter. Ikli lang yung perimeter. Yung formula lang nag-iba. Ganun pa rin naman yung way of pagpa-plot ng polar curve. Then, identify all the unknown variables and substitute. Then, perform basic integral form. Now, doon sa inyong module, wala kayong assignment, right? For module 6. Tama ba? Wala kayong assignment doon, no? So with this will be your assignment for module 6. Final assignment number 3 under module 6 for Enggmath number 4. Let's evaluate section. For the evaluate section of module number 6, try to solve this given problems. This will be your assignment number 3, ha? Find the area bounded by 2y squared plus 2y minus x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 2y. Requirements: area bounded by these two equations and the arc length or the perimeter. Okay. Then number 2, area bounded by 1 arc. If for letter A, y is equal to 3 sine 2/3 x and B is equal to y equal to 1/3 of cosine for x. Parehas lang nung example yan, na binaliktad ko lang yung type of curve. And lastly, for number 3, solve for the area bounded by a polar curve and its perimeter. For letter A, r squared is equal to sine theta plus cosine theta. And area bounded for letter B, r squared equal to a sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. Okay? Ano nababasa ninyo? Okay. For your assignment, final assignment number 3, module number 6, Enggmath 4, will be your evaluate problems or evaluate assessment problems. Number 1, find the area bounded by the two given equations. 2y squared plus 2y minus x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 2y. So most likely this is a parabolic curve intersected by a line. Tapin nyo yung intersection points and so forth and so long. Again, you may use the given website for you to check your curves, but you need to show all the necessary solution with complete and detailed solution on how did you come up with that particular drawing. Then compute for the area bounded by these two equation and the arc length or the perimeter enclosing these two equation. The number 2, area bounded by one arc of these two problems. A, y is equal to 3 sine 2/3 of x and y is equal to 1/3 of cosine 4x. So dalawang figure yan. Then number 3, area bounded by a polar curve and its perimeter. So compute first for the area bounded of the given polar curve, then compute for the perimeter. So dalawa yung magiging answer nyo dito sa bawat question. Area at saka perimeter. Okay? Nagets po ba yung assignment?
Yes, sir.
I'll show na lang mamaya. I-attach ko na lang doon sa postage ng assignment itong picture na to. Or kaya na, screenshot nyo na. Mamaya screenshot ko na lang para mailagay ko. R squared equal to a sine theta of times 1 plus sine theta. Again, that will be your third assignment. Then,